Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name's Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through today's trading video. As all of you will know, if you have been paying attention to the markets, that the Brexit news has been playing havoc with the pound dollar. Obviously that is one of the major pairs, and that's one of the pairs that we trade here. And we're going to be showing you a level that we sort of gave to our clients on this particular pair at the very start of the week that has really come to fruition based on some of the news that's come out as well from Parliament. If you're completely new to these videos, we are an educational company. We provide analysis to our clients, but we also provide one-to-one mentoring as well, to give the clients a proficiency on their own, to be independent when they trade. I'm going to take you to the members area now, where we provide our analysis to give you an understanding of a little bit about how the analysis is given and sort of how you could use that on a daily basis. Now if we scroll on down here, you can see we've got the members area, you've got some daily chart analysis, you've then got some shorter term entries, you've then got fundamental information on the different economic events, and then you've got the individual currency pairs. So what I'm going to show you is obviously the GBP USD. The level that was provided here, as you can see, it says support 2960. Okay, so 2960. So that's the level that we're going to focus in on. Is support plus demand 2960/70. This was a very big level this week, and it's a level that held. So we're going to go to the daily chart on the GBP USD. And not only was that the level that held on the support side, I don't know if you want to go back to this chart here, but we had major resistance at 33.50. So both the major support at 29.60 and the major resistance at 33.50 both held, and they both could have been traded. So our clients could have easily traded either one of these for shorts or longs. Just so happens that many of our clients took the long at 29.60 at the start of the week. You can see in the end, of course, it's moved well over 300 pips there. We're not saying clients would have taken 300 pips on the trade, because that's unrealistic to say clients would have taken that. But we know many clients that have taken well in excess of 100 pips just from that one entry. And even if you didn't take 100 pips, you could have easily taken an intraday trade and bagged yourself 25-30 pips minimum. So we just wanted to show you an example of some of the analysis that we might provide to our clients, which is simple analysis to follow, because we're actually explaining everything on the chart. So all you've then got to do is pretty much place your orders at the start of the day. Okay. So the members area is a fantastic resource for our traders to use, as it gives them the sort of assistance that they need each day for trading entries, exits, different pieces of analysis where you might look for the market to go long, look for the market to go short. So we're actually providing all of access to this on a completely free consultation call with one of our traders. Just go to our website, platinumtradingacademy.com. Just pop your name, email, phone number in. Once our traders give you a call, we'll then be taking you through, essentially the trading system, the strategies, the analysis, the way that we teach, to give you an idea of whether it's going to be a right fit for you or not. So it's really simple. Just pop your details in and we'll get in touch with you. We just want to say, look, thank you very much for watching today's video. Really do appreciate that. And we look forward to speaking to you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.